see this. The screen is attached edge to edge. But on the right side it has been shifted a little bit upward. You can see the gap. And this side also, it is not perfect. It's like tilted upwards and some at an angle. And second problem, my hinge is broken within the 25 days of purchase. This is Legion 7i. You can see the hinge is wobbling. I don't know whether you guys are able to hear or not, but there sound like something has been sticking out. I think the hinge was been glued with the back metal plate. You can easily hear there's something like that something is glued, which is coming out and being. Please do it to it, Lenovo India.